All right, so this is our buddy Jarman's straight six. Just got it rebuilt for his old TJ, and asked us to put it in. When he dropped it off, it was fresh from the machine shop, unpainted. So decided we got a little surprise for Mr. Jarman for leaving this engine block like this over here. Just got done primering this puppy with some white primer. Well, about to spray it with some baby blue. Don't worry, after the block's baby blue, I'm gonna match the valve cover and some front trinkets with some bright pink. It's gonna look like a birthday party in this engine bay. Come on. Well, I'm gonna get to spraying. Hopefully that camera can see some stuff. Although I don't think that really matters. Well, there you have it. Nice baby blue engine block. Oh boy. You're welcome, Jarman. Don't worry, the pink is really gonna draw it out. Okay, back here with the baby blue engine block. I got the valve cover off, I got the oil pan off, I got the timing chain cover off, I got them all in primer over here. And we're about to spray these parts with gloss watermelon. Maybe it's green. I mean, the Jeep's green, so kind of makes sense. Oh man, he's either going to be real mad about this or he's going to think it's real funny. I'm hoping on the latter. All right, I'll get back and show you how they turn out. All right.
Here we go.
Part one. Let's go.
We're assembling the super soft engine for the Jarman. Woo-wee!
God, he's gonna have the prettiest engine.
Barbie's gonna be jealous. Hey, now we're gonna start calling him Skipper, and he's gonna think we're talking about Gilligan's Island until he sees this engine.
I can't wait to unveil it to him. He's gonna be so. I think he's gonna be so excited.
It's Barbie's friend Skipper.
All right, the old TJ is in the shop on the lift, and we got the engine in. It is mated to the tranny and the bell housing. So now I'm gonna start putting the brackets back on. I gotta go through, tighten up some bolts on the motor mounts, and then basically put the front end back on this puppy. So start by putting alternator, AC compressor, all that good stuff. And then get this front end on, but hopefully here in the next day or two, we'll be giving this back to its owner, and we will see how excited he is about this incredible paint job. Come on. Okay, so I'm having to interject here. Obviously the plan this whole time was to get a good prank on my dad's buddy. We painted his engine ridiculous. We're gonna throw it in, get it all back together and running. It was freshly rebuilt from a machine shop. He picked him out, had him rebuild it, dropped it off. We were to assemble it, install it back into his car. Super awesome guy, no big deal. We were gonna paint it black for him after we did the whole other thing. If he was actually upset, if he wanted to roll with it, that'd be even better. So unfortunately, like most things around here, he was in a rush. He picked a cheap machine shop that promised to do it quickly. We hit some serious problems. The engine came back not in time. Head bolts were swapped into the wrong locations, and we had a hell of a time figuring all this stuff out to get it actually running. Obviously the head bolts are irrelevant to that. I just needed them flip-flop to fit a gasket on, but the timing was a major issue. We kept going under the assumption the machine shop was good work until we finally figured it out. Needless to say, he saw the engine before it was all finished and installed. I have his reaction. I'm going to show it, but it's not as good as we had hoped. That being said, after that, I'm going to follow up with his son seeing it for the first time when it's all completely done, which is a much better reaction. So hang in there if you want to see how people feel about this ridiculous motor, man. Sorry we weren't able to actually deliver it to him and get a full surprise.
My phone goes off at 9 o'clock, period. I try to go to bed at 9 o'clock.
Alright, I'll jump in and drink.
I try to. I don't think much sleep the way it is.
What a tablet? Handle some starting fluid, see if it's fire.
Oh, is that how much you put?
Crack the thing open.
You can try it, go ahead.
Yeah, you're
Open the actual throttle body.
all right.
There you go.
Got it.
What is your cigarette lighter thing? In or out?
Out. If it's in, then you can't start it, but it's out. It'll start.
Cigarette lighter out.
Well, you don't have to have it completely out. As long as it's not engaged.
Nothing.
Pink, really?
The whole time we're like stonewalled. I'm like, he hasn't said anything.
I know, because I was over here one day when y'all weren't here and I saw it on the stand.
No! No!
I came by
What?
one day and I was like,
No!
I was like, really?
No! He won't stonewall it. I'm like, well, we can paint it black, but we need the reaction for camera. And like, I'm like, we have to make sure Little Jar Man's here.
Oh,
Because
yeah.
he will have a
That's
reaction.
the one, yeah.
I'm like, he will react. You want me to spray it again?
So the only thing you got to make sure is the AC works.
Okay.
Mama wants the AC to work. All right.
So what's real funny about that, actually, let me move this there real quick so that way it doesn't fall off in there and break. Cameras everywhere, bro.
Nice.
He's just waiting.
Nice.
But I kept trying to say, hey, get him over here while it's on the stand. We'll get his reaction then. It'll be easier to paint it black. He's like, no, just put it in. We can paint it in today. I'm like, okay.
That was awesome, man. I got came in, I was like, what?
Dude, there's so much work in that. All my nice sparkly gold accents.
Oh,
bro.
no. I walked in and it was on the stand. I was like,
I was like, trying to finish it. I'm like, it looks like a birthday party to me.
oh, I was thinking,
Someone
run out of colors or
Right.
something? Just finish, use all the colors we had left over, go.
Already saw it. It's alright. Little Jarman doesn't know, right?
No, he doesn't know.
Okay, good. So Little Jarman is now our reaction. Now we need. Although this is gonna make the YouTube and it's gonna be terribly disappointing. Oh, it's the same color as before.
I got gold flake.
Dude, I told you. Look, it's a lot of fucking work, man. It's a pretty engine.
Yeah. We're parked. All right, come check out your masterpiece. After lots of cursing and awfulness.
Hey, apparently we're working Friday night now?
Oh, I don't know. You know more than I do. What's so funny is most of the time, y'all know before we do. Because they don't ever want to tell GM people anything.
They sent out a text. Said
You're kidding.
12 to 8:15.
These people.
Yeah. first and second are working 9 hours. We're working 8. What the hell?
What do you think?
It's pink. Oh Lord. Oh no. Don't bring this into car shows.
That's exactly where we're going.
Oh Lord.
It's also baby blue.
Oh,
And sparkly gold.
It's
Hey, we gotta sell it.
But yeah, there she is.
So basically what you
It
ended
was
up
a
with.
lot shinier, prettier pink until we had to pull the valve cover like 4 times to get it to stop leaking.
Which that was just our
but
own
hey,
fault.
there was a miscommunication. You actually have like 13,000 in parts.
What?
I just bought a lawnmower.
Wait, let me get this camera. Haha.
Oh.
Gotcha.
Hey, apparently we're working Friday night now?
Oh, I don't know. You know more than I do. What's so funny is most of the time, y'all know before we do. Because they don't ever want to tell GM people anything.
They sent out a text. Said
You're
what,
kidding.
12 to 8:15.
These people.
Yeah. And first and second are working 9 hours. And we're working 8. What the hell?
What do you think?
It's pink. Oh Lord. Oh no. Don't bring this into car shows.
That's exactly where we're going.
Oh Lord.
It's also baby blue.
Oh
And
Lord.
sparkly gold.
It's
Hey, we gotta sell it.
it's a super soft engine party.
Look at that, man. Holy cow.
Hey, it actually drives itself now though, so now I feel a lot better about it.
Yeah, no